Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening, depending on what time zone you're watching this video in. Listen, it's your favorite entrepreneurs, your paid and in love power couple, Dr. Jerry and Mrs. Winter Bobo, affectionately known as Doc and Winter. And listen, we just want to stop by with a quick video for our man Phil over at the Advise Show. Man, doing a rock solid job, my brother. We want to salute you, sir, and use two of the least used words in the English vocabulary. Thank you. Now listen, this video is all about you. See, listen, they say that cash is king, and that's a true statement. And so if cash is king, credit is King Kong, right? And if your credit bad, it feels like King Kong beating on your chest. And we want to help get King Kong off of your chest. Guys, listen, there are three major credit reporting bureaus. We didn't say there are only three. We said there are three major ones. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each one of these keep a different credit profile on you. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are not, we repeat, are not government agencies. They are private businesses in business to make money off of you. And the bottom line is this: bad credit is big business.
Yes.
Bad credit is big business. And if your credit score starts with a 4, 5, or a 6, you got to get with Phil immediately. You got to get with us immediately so we can help you repair your credit. And here's the kicker. You don't have to pay somebody to do it.
No.
We got a program, guys. Y'all not going to believe this. $47.90 to start. And then in 30 days, they'll bill you $34.95. So that's like 95. Look. $1.19 a day.
Yes.
To make your bad credit go away. Man, that's just phenomenal. Listen, we'll give you guys more details about it. But listen, in the meantime, the in-between time, don't keep wasting time. Your credit is holding you back from promotions, jobs, new homes, apartments, cars, credit cards, lines of credit, insurance, traveling. Yeah, I mean, bad credit is so detrimental. But we do know that bad credit is not indicative of a bad person, because bad things happen to good people. And that's why my wife and I are on the scene to help you go to the next level. So if you're ready to stop suffering, you ready to stop being turned down, you ready to stop needing a cosigner. Man, I remember my credit was so bad. Look, I'm going to find the document. I'm going to upload it, man. A few years ago, we tell you if your credit score start with a 4, 5, or 6. Man, mine was below a 4. I didn't even know it could go to the 3. Right now, I'm over 7, about to be 800. Because I didn't cry about it. I didn't cry about it. I didn't lie about it. I did something about it. And you can too. So text the word ADVISE, ADVISE, to 71441, and we'll respond back to you. The $47.90 cannot be PayPal, cannot be Cash App. This is a legitimate program. This is a real project. It needs to be on a credit card or a debit card. You're going to enter the information in yourself. Everything is totally secure, and it comes with other perks and benefits, y'all. But we'll talk to you more about that later on. So again, please, don't pay hundreds, even thousands of dollars to get your credit repaired. And even worse, don't sit up and do nothing and let your credit stay bad. We're going to see you guys on the other side.